Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Helmut Schmidt. I'm the Arttista software developer creator, and I'm here this time to show you guys a little bit of this new Arttista version that brings this time the new animation module system called Animal. Uh, when I created this animation system, I chosen the animation mode, frame to frame animation mode, because it's very easy to create animation, and I tried to provide some initial tools that will help you during the process. Of course, this is the first version that brings animation tools. That there will be a lot of more features in the future. Okay, so let's begin. The whole idea it's to provide a simple user that it is that be clean and easy to understand, and easy to control. You can see in this bottom in the bottom part that is only one timeline with one track, a single track, because the idea is to keep the user interface clean. So let's begin. I am how I will show you a little bit of how it works. We are now on the first keyframe, um, and when I press the left key on the keyboard, you can see what am I doing, what I'm doing right here. Okay, let me press here. When I press the left key on the keyboard, I go to the next frame. Okay, so let's switch to the edition mode, and I will select only this object here, here, and here, and here. Okay, let's switch to spotlight mode. Okay, and now I am in the second frame. I'm going to select all this and move to this part, rotate a little bit, rotate this part a little bit, like this, and it's done. If I go back to the first frame, we can see our frame to frame animation. Let's go to the next frame. Okay, select the whale, undo this a little bit, and okay, let's okay, and we have our third frame. Oh, let me fix something here. Okay, we have now just 3 frames of animation, 3 animation frames. Let's try a little bit in this part, spotlight mode, the second frame. I'll bring this here a little bit, like this. Okay, now there's a situation that where I can show you a little bit of the tools, right? There is only one timeline with one single track for all objects in the screen. So when we did animate this whale, we animated also all the objects. So this is why when I go to the third frame, this object is is more back, is more to the back side than the second frame. What I have to do, I go to this frame where I will tell Arttista to keep this object here to this position, to this timeline position to the end, right? So what I have to do now is tell Arttista, hey, keep this object here from this position to the end, because I want animated to this position from the end to the end, right? So we keep it like this, keep the timeline position here, go to the new animation tab, and we go here. This circle, if with arrow point to the right, is this. You can see the circle represents a keyframe, and the arrow is the direction. So you can see in this bottom part that Arttista will draw something like a notation of what it is doing. So it will keep this object to this position and until the end of timeline. So we click here, and now I can go to the third frame and we can continue our animation. Like this. Let's try another object, right? Go here. Let's exit the edition mode. Select this object. Go to spotlight mode. Go to the second frame. Sorry, second frame. Let's put it here. Scale a little bit. Let me see. Here, 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 here. Okay. The same happens here. All the animations, all the animation frames to this object is here, are here. So I go back to the frame what I want, and I will tell Arttista again that to this object selected here, I want to start animated to this position to the end. So here, now third frame, and scale a little bit. So what we have until now, very easy. There, I don't think this is hard. It's very easy to create some animations. Let's try a little bit with the eye. Here, 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 here. This object too, and this one, and this one. This frame here, third frame here. Let's see. Nice. Now fourth frame down. No, I didn't like it. Okay, let's try with the head. Let me select everything here. There's a lot of objects. I could, it will be easier if I had created groups, but I didn't, so I have to do this. Let me see. I don't want this because it belongs to the neck. Spotlight. Go to the first frame. Let's start telling Arttista that what we want all these objects in this position from now to the end. Go to the second frame. Oh, here, third frame, a little bit down, fourth frame. Sorry, let's go back to the third frame. Let me see. I'm moving the lights to no problem. Here to the end, the fourth frame. Let's rotate a little bit more, and here, here, here. Okay. Now let's try a little bit with the mouth. Let's spotlight only the mouth. Okay. Here, 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 and the last frame. Let's try a smile. This is not good. Let's go back to this frame. Reset from this position to the end. Now this frame. Let me show. Let me see here now. Here. Whoops. Something like this. It's just to show you how it works. Okay, let's try a little bit, make something with the hair. Spotlight. Let's make some noise here, like this. A little bit here and here. A little bit more here. Let's fix the eye here. Let me fix the eye that is over the hair. Here, here, here. Sorry. Here, here, here. Select the hair and tell it that I want to send to the back. So that is not a great animation, I know, because I made some mistakes during the animation process here, but it's just to show you how it works, a little bit of how it works, the animation frame to frame inside Arttista. We'll make another video show you a little bit of each tool here and how it works and how these tools will help you during the process. So I hope you like it. This version will be available next soon, very soon, I promise.